I'm Chris with Tactical Aviation, and it's time to learn about registering your drone. If you own a drone, plan on owning a drone, or just want to pass your FAA remote pilot exam, there's something for you in this module. 14 CFR Part 48 covers drone registration. It states a small unmanned aircraft must be registered by its owner using the legal name of its owner unless the owner is less than 13 years of age. If the owner is less than 13 years of age, then the small unmanned aircraft must be registered by a person who is at least 13 years of age. Your drone registration is not evidence of drone ownership. There's a $5 fee for the registration and renewal. The renewal has to be done every 3 years. The holder of the drone registration must update the information using the web-based registration system within 14 calendar days of a change of information on the registration, like a change in address, or when the registration requires cancellation for any reason. No person may operate a small unmanned aircraft that is eligible for registration unless one of the following criteria has been satisfied. The owner has registered and marked the aircraft in accordance with 14 CFR Part 48. The aircraft weighs 0.55 pounds or less on takeoff, including everything that is on board or otherwise attached to the aircraft, or the aircraft is an aircraft of the Armed Forces of the United States. There always seems to be a few FAA exam questions on drone registration. Let's take a look at a couple of the most common. According to 14 CFR Part 48, when would a small unmanned aircraft owner not be permitted to register it? A. If the owner does not have a valid United States driver's license. B. All persons must register their small unmanned aircraft. Or C. If the owner is less than 13 years of age. It's C. If the owner is less than 13 years of age. Under what condition would a small unmanned aircraft not have to be registered before it is operated in the United States? A. When the aircraft weighs less than 0.55 pounds on takeoff, including everything that is on board or attached to the aircraft. B. The aircraft has a takeoff weight that is more than 0.55 pounds, but less than 55 pounds, not including fuel and necessary attachments. Or C. All small UAS need to be registered, regardless of the weight of the aircraft, before, during, or after the flight. It's A. When the aircraft weighs less than 0.55 pounds on takeoff, including everything that is on board or attached to the aircraft. Thank you, and I'll see you next lesson.